Hey Dad, today we are going to do 3 posture exercises. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the weight that I think will be good for you. So the first one that we're going to be doing are chest openers, here external rotation with our arms. I think for you, 15 pounds is very manageable. And that's where it's already set. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have 15 pounds here and you're gonna get your arms into 90 degrees. While having your arms in 90 degrees, think about that posture and feel that posture which you would like to have, right? Don't think about anyone else's posture. Just think about what kind of posture you would like to have and think about head being tall, you're looking forward, and let's not forget about our hips, right? What we talked about with those pelvic tilts to get them into your neutral range. So your neutral range is moving them as far forward and back and then finding that middle. So you have your weights here in front. You're looking forward and maybe you can use the mirror. And keeping your elbows at your side, you're going to open up and close. I'm going to show here in the front. And then I'm going to do 15 reps with you. And you can go as far open as you can without deviating from your posture or feeling any pain, and then bring it back in. All right, so let's go for 15 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And notice too, while I was doing these, I wasn't swinging forward. Sometimes when the weight becomes too much, we swing forward. Try to keep your body still all throughout the exercise. The next one are going to be reverse flies. These are going to be a little bit tougher when you do them right. Slight bend in your elbow. So I'm going to go for you. Let's start with 10 pounds. So we have 10 pounds here. And I'm going to demonstrate again 2 times from the side angle, 2 times from the front. I hinge forward. Remember those deadlifts that we were doing? Same concept here. Lightly squeeze your glutes. The weights are in front, hanging down. Now, if you're not activating your glutes, you're going to start to feel your back. If you feel your back, just squeeze your butt, see what happens, or take a break. Maybe the weight is too much, but give yourself a break. There's no reason you should start feeling tension in your back. So here my glutes are squeezed. I'm just going to find somewhere where I'm able to do it. And I'm going to, whoop, it's maybe a little difficult here. Lift up like that. Notice that my spine is in line. What I really want to say is I'm trying to keep my back flat and keep that posture throughout, right? So I'm not curved here. Maybe this is a good angle. And I'm opening up. Slight bend in my elbows, right? Head is in between my legs. And now we're gonna do 15 like that. Maybe you already started, but hey, let's give it another 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. I'm keeping count. Your hands should end up being a little bit below your shoulders. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And when you start to feel yourself doing momentum, not that it's wrong, you'll still exercise your back, which is going to help you give that posture that you're looking for. But that is a sign that you're getting a little tired. Maybe we dropped the weight. Maybe you do less reps. But here we go to our third exercise. Third exercise are going to be rows, but there's going to be a little bit of a nuance to them. I'm going to say 25 for you here. And you know what? Let's start at 20. Although I would like for these to be a little heavier, but we'll start at 20. We'll keep that theme of 10, 15, 20, which are weights that are usually very accessible to all of the population, and you can find almost anywhere if you're staying at a hotel, at a friend's house. Usually there are weights up to 20 pounds. So here we know that with rows, we like to go up like this. Just want to make sure that the video is catching it. Okay, video should be catching it. So with rows, we're going up and down like this. Same hinge, but this time I want you to do 8 on the right, 8 on the left, while one of the arms holds on to the finished position. So my left is going to hold it here, then I row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give it a rest. You can always rest like this, right? This also will give you good posture just by holding it. There's many of exercises. We're not finished with just these 3. You lean forward. So now you hold it with your right hand up here, and let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And recover. So those right there, 3 exercises. I actually recommend that you do them more so in between. Maybe you're doing some core work, maybe you're doing jumps or stretches, right? I would do one of the exercises 3 sets and then go to the next exercise instead of rotating it around because they do tire out the same muscle group, right? So that's why maybe if you're doing the rows, try some sort of push-ups or core work, anything that doesn't tax the back or your biceps. Let me know how these go. Send me a photo, video, whatever it is. And hey, anyone else who stumbles upon this video is looking for any sort of home quick exercises, I'm working on this, I want to do this in the new year, this month, for my birthday, before my birthday, whatever it is, let me know.